Hey guys, so I got another package. It's from Craft Saving. I ordered this back in April and it's just now here and I am super excited about opening this. I was almost so excited I didn't want to make a video. So I am really interested in how this turned out. Let me get in here. You guys get to see it when I see it. Alright, so this was an order of 5 that I did. Okay. We're gonna wrap that. 2, 4, and 5. Let's see what they look like. This is supposed to be this one. Looks kind of bigger than the ones I usually do. Sorry about that. Let me get this up here a little bit more. There we go. So this is pretty good looking grill. A lot of pretty colors. This one's gonna be pretty fun. Got a kit. Wow. That's pretty. I really do like that. And they're pretty legible symbols. I feel like I've seen some of them before. Nice. Stuff this back in here. Curtain number 2. Looks like somebody opened this one. Not happy about that. What does this one look like? So this is a 30 by 40 mermaid. Pretty cool. Not too bad. I like it. Colors, kind of dark, but some pretty greens and blues. Okay. Let's see what else we got. I've been so excited about getting this since I ordered it. It's like Christmas today. I don't even remember the last time I was this happy about getting a package from online. Oh, this is so pretty. I love mermaids if you can't tell. The light reflection is horrible. That one is too pretty. Love it. I can't wait to do these. Alright. Got 2 more. sometimes you just don't want to fight. Just let me in. That's all I want. Looks like somebody already wanted to. Okay, really. Let's watch a video of her fight with this thing for 30 minutes. Ooh. Alright, there we go. Well, yeah. Put some extra tape on it. I don't want her getting into it now. Alright. Oh, this is the smallest one I've ever gotten, but it is too cute. I might do it next just to get it out of the way. I like it. It's got 21 colors, so that's a lot of colors for one small, from what I've gotten anyway. Pretty cool. Then we have the last one. I don't even remember what it is. I'm just excited I got it. Oh yes. This one is pretty. I love to do faces. It's like my favorite thing. Faces and mermaids. This is pretty. Sunflower girl. It's gonna be fun. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and share and like, and have a great day.